Did you know Excel lets you turn any cell into a clickable hyperlink that opens websites, files, or even other sheets instantly? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you most people just paste long, ugly URLs directly into cells, which makes spreadsheets look messy and completely unprofessional. First, click on the cell where you want to place your hyperlink. Let's use a cell that says Google. Now press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus K to instantly open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. You can also use the hyperlink formula directly in a cell for even more control. It takes two arguments, the link location, which is the URL or file path, and the friendly name. Look at the difference. Instead of long, messy URLs, each cell now shows a clean blue underlined label that users can click to navigate instantly. You just learned how to insert hyperlinks using Control K and the hyperlink formula to build clean, clickable, professional spreadsheets in seconds.